It's a beautiful spring day on Catacrom 4, Juanita, as we kick off a brand new season of Dread Zone.
That's right, Dallas, and we're lucky enough to have a bird's eye view of the action.
Even from up here, this season's Dread Zone battle courses look bigger and deadlier than ever.
It's a wonder contestants keep volunteering, isn't it?
That's a good one. Oh, yeah. The Pox construction team really outdid themselves in turning this once sacred robotic burial ground into a deadly Dread Zone battle course.
And look! Here comes today's first contestant. Oh my! They're really scraping the bottom of the barrel to find these guys, aren't they? I hope you folks at home aren't too squeamish, because the next one looks like a bleeder.
Gimme, Juanita. All he has to do is make his way to the other side of this mountain pass. Will the person driving a mint green Man Ray 5 please report to security? You're parked in my space!
One of your combat bots is incapacitated. Use the revive command to bring him back to life.
One thing about Ratchet, you give him any lip and he'll feed you a lead sandwich. You better believe that, Juanita.
Affirmative!
As Team Darkstar continues toward the Catacrom Burial Dome, they'll need to cross what I like to call the chasm of endless falling and eventual dying. In the unlikely event that they survive, they'll take control of the big, bad, and burly walking armored tank called the Landstalker. Good luck, kids.
Ratchet, you will have to capture all 3 nodes to extend the bridge. Why work up a sweat turning cranks when you can order your boss to do it for you?
What I wanna know is how Ratchet uses the bathroom in that suit. Here's a chilling thought. Team Darkstar is walking on top of a giant robot burial ground!
Here is some good news. Each time your weapon upgrades, it unlocks a new alpha modification slot for you to use.